What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Tika, aka Hippie Skippy, coming back to you guys with another video. So today, instead of doing a lot of talking, I really just want to do a look. Oh, this is the palette. It's called The Tribe by Juvia, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. But boom, this baby is beautiful. And also, I am sporting my Dallas County High School shirt. I don't know if you guys know, but that's the high school that I graduated from. I graduated from Dallas County High School. First, what I'm going to do is my eyebrows, which really don't take too long. So instead of using a brown brow pencil, I'm gonna go in with my burgundy brow pencil. That's how you know this look is gonna be dope, when the outline of the brow is almost perfect and I haven't even filled it in yet. Ooh, should I zoom in a little bit? Would you guys like to see a tad bit close up? And I'm just gonna go in with The Tribe by Juvia. It's green. Y'all know green is my favorite color. I say that in probably every video. So the color that I'm gonna use, I thought I wanted to use like this color, but I don't want it to be like super dark. So instead of me going in my outer crease area with this color, I'm gonna go in with this green. This is a more powerful green. I wanted this color really rich. That's why I'm packing it in like that. So next, you guys, I'm gonna go in with this light green, which is this one. And I'm gonna put that in my inner crease area, and we're gonna do like an ombre effect with it. So next, I'm going to take my Morphe, the white one. The name of the white one is Canvas. I should remember all these names, but I don't. But I do remember that one is Canvas. So now, just to intensify my green just a little bit more, I'm gonna take this green one more time, and I'm just gonna go over that white just to give it more of a green effect on this side. So out, and I'm gonna do the same to this side. Stack and blend, stack and blend. I really want my colors to be intense. Anything to be intense. Alright, you guys, so now I'm gonna take my favorite MAC color, which is a green, and it's like gone. Like, I'm literally strafing the sides because I love this so much, but I don't want to buy another one. I'll show you guys. I'm gonna swatch it for y'all so y'all can see how it looks, because it's very pretty. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like a holographic green. So the color intensifies when I use my finger, so I'm just gonna use my finger to blend out that color. You guys know I have to pop on my eyeliner and my lashes, and then we're gonna get right into my face. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I got too excited. And then for my bottom set, I'm gonna use my Jumbo Eye Pencil by NYX. I don't know why, I've just been falling in love with white under eyes. Like, I don't know like what's my thing with it, but I think it's dope. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my eyelashes. That's one less thing to worry about, you know. And I'm just gonna pop these on really quick. So now I'm just going to take my universal serum and I'm going to take like 2 or 3 drops of it, and I'm going to use it as a primer. Not only is it going to nourish my skin, but it's also going to leave me with a smooth finish. This is Nude 6 in the color 9. Then I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in Pure Beige. And then you guys, I'm going to take my Crystals Infused Setting Spray by Sheer Coincidence and Mellow Mint, and I'm just going to spray my whole face. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Dermablend powder and we're just going to set my face. So I'm just going to go in with this color again in my under eye area. So alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take this powder off. I feel like my face has set enough. And to make sure my face is set, I'm going to take my Sheer Coincidence Hydrating Spray and Mellow Mint again, which is infused with crystals. You guys know how I feel about crystals. And I'm just going to spray my face once more. Next, we're going to finish off with a tad bit of blush on my face. Just a little bit. I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier highlighter first. Eyeshadow color that I told you guys I love so much. We're gonna put that on top to give it like a green shimmer glow. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my bottom lashes. So I'm gonna use these lashes from earlier that I cut off. And I'm just gonna cut them into tiny little pieces. So yeah, I'm just cutting these down a little bit short from my bottom area. So a little glue goes a long way. You're not gonna need a lot of glue for bottom lashes. You guys, please stop putting all that glue on your bottom lashes. It is not a necessity. One right here in the middle. How y'all feel about them? I don't know how I feel about them. I'm not a big, I like them for like beat looks, but I may fix it. And I'm gonna take my NYX Strictly, it's a lip gloss by NYX, and I'm gonna put that in the middle, okay? My boyfriend bought me this lip gloss. Thanks, Boo, if you're watching. Even though I don't think you be watching my videos. You say, I think you just be liking my videos and not watching. Let me find out. Gonna fight. I'm kind of feeling it. What do you guys think? So it's thumbnail time. So alright, Alright guys, so that is the end of this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, you know. But you guys, thank you so much for watching. You guys, please do not forget to like, watch, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye.